And I thank the speaker, and I'll yield myself such time as I may consume. I served with the gentleman's father for 9 years and certainly understand the pain that was reflected in his voice in those remarks. This is a common sense bill. When a practitioner encounters a correctable lesion at the time of a screening colonoscopy, the curative procedure should be able to be undertaken without the worry of the patient waking up to an unintended charge. You know, the other thing that crosses my mind as we sit here now, hopefully on the downside of the pandemic, is how many people have not proceeded with the screening procedure because of concern about going to a facility during the time of the coronavirus. And really, it is incumbent upon us as policymakers to ensure that people do understand the importance of undertaking these screenings and removing any obstacles that would prevent someone from having a potentially life-saving screening procedure done. And then just further, Mr. Speaker, if I could, many people today have reflected on the time of service of Mr. Walden, who is retiring at the end of this Congress, and we will all miss him a great deal. And as I've listened to several of the speakers give testimony to Mr. Walden's leadership on the committee, I'm just reminded of so many times, both good times and rough times. We served together in the majority and the minority for a number of years on the Committee on Energy and Commerce. But the country can look to things like the last 10-year reauthorization of the state children's health insurance program and thank Mr. Walden for the vision of getting that enacted. Certainly the Support Act in the last Congress, starting with Member Day in the committee and culminating with the signing ceremony in the White House literally 12 months later. These were some of the significant accomplishments of then Chairman Walden, now Ranking Member Walden. He has left a rich legacy in this Congress, and we're all very much in his debt and will miss him terribly in the Congresses to come. But I thank the gentleman for his indulgence, and I will yield back the balance of my time.